Oh no, Mary is calling me. What does she want?
John, do you have a minute?
Yes, Mary, of course.
I need the report today by 3 o'clock.
The report? Sorry, which report?
The sales report from last week.
Oh, I think I sent it last Friday.
I don't have it, John.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. I sent it to your email.
Can you check again, please?
Yes, one moment. Mary, I see the problem. I sent it to the wrong email.
Okay, so what now?
I can send it again, right now. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yes, I'm sorry for the mistake.
Okay, John. 2 minutes.
Done. I sent it now. Did you get it?
Yes, I have it.
I'm really sorry, Mary. It will not happen again.
It's okay, John. Thank you for fixing it fast.
Thank you, Mary.
Next time, please check before you send.
Yes, I will. I promise.
Good. See you at the meeting at 4.
Yes, I'll be there.